Okay, so good afternoon, all. All of you can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so myself is Sandeep Akolkar. I will shortly introduce you about the syllabus, and then after I will introduce you how much that my teaching methodology. Okay, now let me share my screen. Okay, so all of you can see my screen. Hello, three slides.
Yes, sir, I can see.
Yes, sir.
Everybody.
Yes, I can see.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so my let me introduce about myself first. My name is Sandeep Akolkar. I do have around 15 years of IT industry experience. Currently, I am associated with one of the multinational organization as technical architect for automation engineering and also working as a parallelly project manager testing. I do have total 15 years experience since I worked with previously. Prior to this organization, I worked with Cinecron, Giesecke and Devrient, a German product company. Then I worked with Harbinger Systems, DNS Software Technologies, these companies as well. Now, when I worked with them, I get to learn so many things, okay, like manual testing, agile scrum. Then I get to learn performance testing using JMeter. Then I get to learn core Java with Selenium. Then I get to learn core Java, Python with Selenium. Also, I have developed so many frameworks like automation frameworks, like hybrid automation frameworks, BDD using BDD approach like Selenium TestNG, Cucumber, Selenium Python with PyTest. I have developed the framework with TypeScript and Chai framework with Jasmine frameworks as well, along with what is the tool Protractor. Okay, so this is overall about my experience. Also, I worked with API testing. I did automation testing with Postman with JavaScript, then REST assured with Core Java. These technologies as well. So when I get to learn these things, I thought 4 years before I should spend some time in teaching to share my knowledge. So I have around 4 years of teaching experience, and I have given training for more than 1,000 students so far. So I taught all of these subjects. I worked with stack course technologies, radical technologies, and US based boot camps to train US based people as well. So this is all about me and about my experience. Now, all of you can hear me.
Yes,
All of you
sir.
can see, yeah, all of you can see the screen properly.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Am I audible to you? You can read it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So the first course which we are going to conduct is Core Java plus Selenium. Okay. So in this course, manual testing is also included. Even though if you are having 5 years experience or you are from non-technical background or you are fresher, okay. For experienced people, this manual testing skill will be brushed up. But for the people who are non-technical, who are fresher, okay, I will give them the basic training right from what is software testing, what types of software testing are there, how they are performing testing in the industry. We will get some practical knowledge also, how to design the test scenarios, how to write the test cases, how to execute the test cases, how to prepare the test plan, how to report the bugs to the developer, all these things, how to prepare the test reports at the end, how to prepare the requirement traceability matrix. Okay, all of these things will be covered in manual testing along with interview preparation. After that, uh, we will get one training for 4 hours. You will get one training for 4 hours from me. That is free Agile Scrum training, and you will get a free international certification, which is provided by the organization, which is the top 6 organization in the world. That is free, but you have to give the exam. But before giving the exam, okay, you have to appear my training, then only you can crack it. you can link that certificate to your LinkedIn profile as well. And when you get this training, apart from the certificate is not that much important. Important is when you learn this agile scrum, when you go in the company, you will be fearless about the processes and practices. Okay, you will be identical how the work happens, how which etiquettes are needed, how the thought process is for the meetings or the processes. Once your manual testing and agile scrum training will be completed, we will conduct one CV preparation session. So your manual testing and agile scrum CV will be prepared in 2.5 weeks. Okay, so you can directly apply in the market and search for the job for manual testing and agile. Okay, so any questions about manual testing and agile, how I will teach my teaching approach, practical, all of these things I will cover later. Anything else from that about manual and agile scrum certification? Anybody is having any question, feel free to ask. Shall I proceed? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So once you are a manual testing, free agile training certification, CV preparation, how to apply for the jobs and get maximum interview calls, this training will be done. We will start a core Java 8, 8th version, which is a basic version, which is a very good version for any new learners. Okay. So core Java is a programming language. Now, some people have fear about the programming, but don't worry, guys. If you are, I will teach you like you are 12th pass students. Okay, there is no programming knowledge needed to work as an automation test engineer in the company. Okay, like you don't need to write a big complex programs. If you want to become a Java developer, the complexity is 100%. But if you want to become an automation test engineer, complexity is very less. Very less means how much? 35%. If you call yourself as a science graduate, if you call yourself as an engineer, you must do this and you can do this. In core Java, I will teach you all the basics, right from basics, and you will get a practical knowledge. I will do the practical, I will teach, then you will do practical, you will confirm that your practical is completed, then only we will move to the next practical. Okay, here we will learn basic data types, variables, functions. After that, we will learn object oriented features like polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction. Okay, this will be the practical knowledge which will help you to work in the industry. Then after we will learn string class for Selenium. This is very important concept. Once all of these things are covered, we will learn collection framework, but a limited classes of it, that is array list, hash set and hash map. After that we will learn exception handling. Okay. So we will cover all the interview questions which can be asked. We will cover all those things which are required to work in the company, and you will get comfortable with core Java. Why core Java programming you need to learn? Because when you automate the test cases, you have to write the code. Okay, with Selenium. Okay, so Selenium is a API interface. It's a programming interface. Before learning Selenium, you need to learn core Java. Then only you can add the commands, give the instructions to the browsers to get started, to get close. So what is Selenium? It is a open source tool. What is open source? It is a free tool. You can download it in 2 minutes at your laptop and you can start working on it. Okay, so it is a browser automation tool. Have you seen Chrome browser? Have you all seen Chrome browser? Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, you start the Chrome browser, right? You start something into that and you click on close button, right? Hello. Okay, so that thing can be automatically done by Selenium, by the help of Selenium commands. That is called as a Selenium. If you go to the website, Selenium is developed by the company. The name of the company is, so Selenium is developed by the company. The name of the company is ThoughtWorks, and it is free tool. If you go to the website selenium.dev, just go to the Google as a homework and type Google selenium.dev and just hit enter. And the URL which will be displayed below in the search result, just click on that. You will see in big font, they have written that Selenium automates browser. That's it. Yeah. If you go to the Chrome browser, launch google.com. In the Google search, type selenium.dev and hit enter. Okay. It will show the website, the search result. In the search result, just click the first result. Okay. When you launch it, at the home page of Selenium company's website, they have mentioned that Selenium automates browser. That's it. Okay, means it automates only browser, not Windows part like your calculator, Paint application. These are locally hosted, locally installed. But Selenium scope is inside the browser, not on your desktop or copying your file from one place to another. These things cannot be done by Selenium. Selenium scope is inside the browser. Once you will learn Selenium, okay, then you when you automate some test cases, you need to show your test cases reports to the management. For that, or you want to run test cases, multiple test cases at a time in the parallelly. Manually, one person can run one test case, but Selenium can run at a time 100 test cases. That feature is provided by one framework that is called as a next generation framework, test driven development framework, that is TestNG framework. It is a unit testing framework which will be used by developers, but nowadays UI automation testers or Selenium automation testers are using it. Okay. Now, Selenium, after Selenium, you will learn TestNG. Okay. Once you learn core Java, TestNG, and Selenium, after that, I will teach you one framework development. Okay. How the framework can be developed step by step. Okay. So there are different types of framework. For example, one of the framework is hybrid framework. Okay. So what is a framework? Automation framework. Okay. When you go to the company, it's not like you search something from YouTube and you have written one test case and you are running it. Okay. It's like you have to follow their coding guidelines in their company, because you are working with multiple team members. All team members will write their code in proper fashion. Okay. Like you go to any mall, then you have to follow the rules to park your vehicle. You cannot park anywhere with your random approach. Okay. So for that, you need to learn this automation framework. This will be your live project training. Okay. Like when you know how to develop a framework, how to work in the framework, you can work in the company. If you learn only core Java, Selenium, TestNG, you cannot work in the framework. You need to learn the framework. So framework is your live project. Okay. So I will get that framework developed by you step by step. I will teach you how to explain the framework in the interview room. I will teach you how to work in the company with the framework. Framework is like a skeleton. For example, if you learn a framework with me, you go to the Tech Mahindra company, or you go to, and there is a telecom project. You go to the company, let's say TCS, and there is a banking project. Framework will remain same. Like you have a skeleton, I also have a body skeleton. Correct? Okay. Let's say pen is dropped on the earth. You can also pick, I can also pick. Why? Our skeleton will support it. If you learn a framework from me, or if you learn to how to drive one bike, you can drive any moped bike. If you learn how to develop and work in the framework, you can work in any company. So I will get framework developed from you all. You will get a hands-on training of it from scratch. Okay. At the end, I will teach you the introduction of the DevOps. It will not be the hands-on. Okay. Now this course will go for 3.5 months. Manual testing, core Java, Selenium, TestNG, and automation framework development. This is a basic course. After that, there is an advanced course also for next 1.5 month. But you can first do this 3.5 months. That is core Java plus Selenium. Now, I will teach you the method, how I will teach you. There are two targets in your mind. When you learn or when you do the course, there are two targets from your mind. One is, when I go to the interview, first is I should understand the concepts. That is a first basic target. But the main targets, two targets are, when you go to the company, you will think that after doing this course, I should be able to give the interview, correct? I should be confidently able to answer the questions to the interviewer, correct? Is that the first expectation from the course? Do you all agree with this? Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Sir.
What is your second expectation? Your second expectation is, when I reach to the company, I should fearlessly work with the colleagues on the project.
Yes.
Is that your second expectation?
Yes.
Do you all agree?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, how I will get it done from you. Let's say I will teach one topic today. Hmm? At that time, I will make sure that you have understood the topic. Then I will teach you which questions can be asked to you on that topic in the interview. I will give that question to you, and I will tell you how to answer that question. Standard answer. What I'm saying? Standard answer. What is standard answer? Standard answer is the answer like 10 people go for the interview. All of them answered correctly, but only one person was selected because he has given a good answer and standard answer in proper manner. That answer I will tell you. Now, today I taught the topic, you understood the concept, I have given you the answer of the question. Okay. Then you went home, you listen that recording. We will provide you the recording. You listen that recording. Next day you come and I will ask that question to the 10 people from the batch. Everybody will answer that question and I will listen like a interviewer. Okay. So I will give you the feedback. Even rest of the candidate, how they will answer, you get to learn. When you go for the interview, you never know how other people answered. You think I answered properly, but I was not selected. But here, other 10 people, how they are talking, you learn from them. Your courage in the 2 months about talking will also be increased slowly. Even though if you have initially low communication skill, poor communication skill, it will be developed step by step for 3.5 months. Understood, all of you? How we will increase leave the fear of the interview continuously for 3.5 months on daily basis whenever our class is there. All of you understood?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
Hello? Yeah. Now, second thing, okay, now when you go in the interview room, you will never think I'm new. Oh, I can talk. I'm fearless. Okay. Now, next, about practical knowledge to work in the company. When I will teach you the topic, any new topic, okay, at that time, I will tell you that this topic will be used this way in the company. Okay. So when you learn that with me, that topic, okay, I will tell that if you learn this way, if you do the practical with me, then only you can work in the company. This topic will be used like this in the company. And about every topic, I will tell the expectation of the industry. And I will get it done. And I will ask you that if you have questions, ask me. Otherwise, you will be in trouble in future. Okay. So these kind of things I will ask at that time. Understood, all of you? So you will do the practical. Once your practical is finished, I will teach the practical, then you watch that, you do the practical, you go home again, you can revisit the recordings, you can do it again. This way you can practice and get rid of that topic to work in the company. All of you understood how I will get you prepared for the to work in the company fearlessly? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Though there will be some kind of fear to go and work in the company, but that will always remain because if I will also change my company, I have that fear. Okay. But when I jump into it, then slowly I will get friendly with the people. I get help from them. I apply some of my knowledge, practice, and then I will get comfortable with that. All of you understood? Hello? Okay, so this is a basic course. After that, for 1.5 months, if you want to enhance your knowledge, you can learn Cucumber. Okay, along also API testing using Postman, and you will learn API testing using Rest Assured along with its framework development separately. That is 1.5 month course. There you will get a hands-on knowledge of Maven, Git, and Jenkins. But first of all, you need to have a knowledge of first course, that is core Java plus Selenium. You cannot jump directly to the advanced. Okay, rest of the things like from Cucumber, you can see in the second slide, third slide, you can see from Cucumber, above the Cucumber, all things are from first course. And after Cucumber, all the things are for the rest of the 1.5 months course. All of you understood? But I will recommend you, considering all of you are freshers, some of them want to brush up their knowledge, so they should do the first course only. Okay, but if they are interested to enhance knowledge after 3.5 months, they can register for the second course as well. Understood, all of you? Later on also. Notes also. Short notes, you will get the recording. Okay. So any questions about syllabus, how the teaching should be, or any fear in your mind, I will get a job, any uncertainty, anything, you can friendly talk with me. Okay. Now it's your time.
So I would like to ask, am I
Mhm.
audible?
Yeah.
So I would like to ask that will that course cover the projects? I mean, live projects.
Yeah, for live project, for automation testing only, not for manual testing. For
Yeah,
automation
automation
testing,
only.
yeah, we will get framework developed, not the project. Okay, exactly. Like, see, uh, clicking on the OK button on the banking application, banking project, and clicking on the OK button on the insurance application is same, right? It is not different. Automation testing does that only. Do you agree with this?
Yes.
Okay, so important is framework. Okay, in the framework, how you should use, I will get developed to 2 3 pages of one application. Okay, or 1 page or 2 pages of one application. Okay, how that framework will automate it. Let's say you learn the framework with me, you go to TechM, there is a telecom project. If I'll get telecom project automated by you, there is no meaning of project, right? Project is a framework, so I'll get a framework developed from you, and I will give you a proper confidence to work in the company and to explain your framework to the interviewer confidently in the interview room. Got it, Chaitali?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sir, after completion of this course, sir, how much experience we can consider?
Yeah, as per my knowledge, you can showcase 2 years experience. Okay.
Okay. Sir, Python automation is also there, I think so, in this course.
Yeah, I take the Python course, but what is happening now? If you go to Naukri.com, LinkedIn, just search Selenium Python, job opening for 2 years experience for the skill Selenium Python, and search for Selenium Java. You will find maximum jobs are for Selenium Java. Okay?
Just an overview also you can cover it, right, sir?
No, not Python, nothing.
Okay.
Nothing about Python. I will just cover Selenium, Java, manual test. It's too much. Learning both is like a boiling a ocean. Okay, even though to keep these things in mind is difficult. Okay, carrying these things, maybe Chaitali can tell. Okay, manual testing, Agile, Scrum, API testing, database testing, then core Java, Selenium, TestNG, automation framework. Carrying all these things in your brain and talking with the interviewer is difficult. If you add some more things, it is difficult for you to digest. Okay.
Yes, sir. Actually, I have passed out in 2010, sir. B.
Mm-hmm.
After that, I have done ME and lectureship for 2 years.
Okay. Okay.
So
There are some lecturers from they got the job. Okay, where you were in Pune as a
yes,
lecturer. Okay,
I
I think.
was, sir, in 2016. I left the job, sir. After that, I
Okay,
was with my kids only.
okay. I think some people were there from JSPM college. Two professors. One professor was from Modern College. Okay, they showcase the experience of UAT testing. Okay,
Okay.
UAT testing means in the college I was in R&D department, and they had purchased some softwares and I was doing the UAT testing. They showcase such a kind of experience. They are working now. I can share their numbers or their CVs. Okay. You can showcase that experience. Okay. Or you might have idea how to showcase the experience.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you for the information, sir.
Anything else a fear of
Yeah.
Java. I'm from non-background. What will happen with me? Any kind of fear in your mind? Core Java is difficult, like this. Anybody is having?
Yeah. Hi, Sandeep.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is
I'm agree.
Madhuri. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So actually, I'm looking for the J meter performance testing. I mean, like, look, I'm working in Capgemini as a performance tester. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
recently, I got a project for the performance testing. I was working before as a manual tester. So now,
Mm-hmm.
like, I just go through few courses in the for the J meter, and then I got this opportunity in one of the project. Okay. So,
Mm-hmm.
are you covering that J meter part as well,
No,
or it's
no,
basically
no,
for?
no,
Okay.
no.
That's what
This is
actually I
only
asked
for
to Priyanka. Mm-hmm.
yeah. Actually, you will be the only one, right, for this. So
Okay.
it's
Mhm.
difficult for we just give the training to the completely to the batch.
Okay, okay,
Yeah. So it
okay.
is difficult for an individual to cover this course. Okay. JMeter
Correct,
is a big
correct.
course. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Mhm.
Okay. Thank you so much, Sandeep.
Yeah. Yeah. Take care. Hello. Anyone else is having any question? Feel free. Okay. Prachi, Priyanka, Shilpa,
So I
Shruti.
want to know, after completion, what are the chances of getting work from home job?
It's a business. Okay, Prachi.
Yes, sir.
It's a business. Okay. If that business, whatever I think, 2 days from office and completely from home, these kind of things, hybrid models are going on. It's up to you. Okay. How you convince that people? Okay, you can work from home. And like mostly 70% companies are completely providing work from home opportunities now.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. But same company you join as a work from home, but they may ask you to come to the office also if there are some hardware related testing or something like that. It's a business, so I can't, you or me or nobody can tell that. Okay, right now. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
even I'm not sure whether they will call me in the office or not. Okay, for my projects. Yeah, but 70% tentatively you can think that I will get work from home, complete work from home.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any questions anybody is having? Ashwini, Chaitali?
Sir, I have a working experience in design industry in chemical
Mm-hmm.
design industry. So, in short, I have to switch my career in IT industry only. So, is it
Mm-hmm.
possible after 4 years of gap to getting a job easily?
Yeah, you can showcase that experience. You were in other industry, right? Hello.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So yeah, so you were in the department. Are they using any software in that department?
Yeah, nearly about 4 5 softwares I have used like
Yeah, so you can say
AutoCAD.
that those were purchased, right? Those were
Yeah.
purchased by from the software companies, and I was in R&D department. I was testing it as a UAT test engineer. I found interest in that. You can say from 2 years they have given me this opportunity. You can showcase that experience. So if right now also, if you prepare your dummy CV saying that you have a skill of manual testing, Agile, Core Java, Selenium, TestNG. Prepare one good CV, download one template, 2 years experience of automation test engineer, Selenium test engineer. Just add your name, upload on all job portals and click on apply. See how many calls you will get. Continuously
Uh,
apply. Okay, you have to switch off your phone. You have to switch off your phone. These many calls you all will get. You can experiment it. You don't need to ask me or anybody else about its future or its current status. Got it? Ashwini, Chaitali, 2 to 8 years is a cream in the market. 2 to 8 years is a cream in the market. Prepare a CV and upload and experiment at home.
Okay, sir.
okay, okay, sir.
Any more questions anybody is having? Any fear in your mind, uncertainty in your mind, anything?
Hello.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I'm working in a Salesforce domain, so sometimes it comes like means some expats are there, which are very difficult to find the expats for some
Mm-hmm.
elements. So will you cover that also? I
It's
mean, some
yeah. After
complicated
doing my
expats.
course, yeah. After doing my course, you will be very expert in finding the XPath. Okay, trust me. After 2 months, you will not say that, sir, you explain like this and I'm not able to do it, because you will be with me for 4 months, right? I given the training for 1,500 students, right? Chaitali,
Yeah.
got it? So remove that fear right now. When Sandeep is there, if you will not understand, just talk to me. From our side, we are giving you CV, we are giving you international certification, radical certification, 6 month internship certificate also they will provide to you, backdated. Okay. Second thing, we will give you proper training. Okay. We will give you the video recordings, we will give you the notes. Okay. Now, after that, it's your job to find out to go to the correct path and get help and get the job. From our side, it's not like it's not Radical is a normal institute. They will give you the placement assistance also, because it's top 3 institute in Pune. Okay. Second thing is, like they will not leave you like we given the training, now our job is finished. No, they will allow you to repeat also. So trust on Radical. Got it? All of you. Ashwini, Chaitali, Mangala, Neha. Okay.
Yes.
Pooja, both Neha, Priyanka,
Yes.
Ruxana, Shilpa, Smriti. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, will it cover also the GitHub and
Now, Git
Jenkins?
and GitHub is Jenkins is in advanced course. It is not
Okay,
in
it is
the
in advance.
basic course. Yeah.
So it this course will be of 3 months, 3.5
Three and
months.
a half months. 3.5 months. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, trust me, like you will get a good knowledge, Chaitali. I can understand what is going on in your mind. Okay. But after 4 months, you will say that, yes, I have got whatever I was searching for. Okay. I have given the training for 10 years, 12 years experience people also. Even to my colleagues also. Okay. Who were colleagues of me in my
Okay.
previous companies. Okay.
Mm-hmm. And another thing I'd like to ask, that is, I don't want to cover manual actually. I directly want to, I mean,
I
join
would
the
suggest,
corporate.
yeah, Chaitali, I would suggest you to go through my manual testing and agile scrum training as well. Okay. Definitely it will help you. Definitely, Chaitali. It's just 2.5 weeks, but yeah, there is no optional. It is free actually. Other trainers for Selenium, TestNG, Core Java, for this course, they are only teaching Core Java Selenium. I'm giving this free training of Agile Scrum and manual testing. Got it? All of you? Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
There is no separate course for manual testing. I'm giving it free by add some value by taking the initiative. Okay. You will
Yes.
give me the feedback, Chaitali, that this manual testing training was good and it has brushed up my skill. I have gained the confidence. Okay.
Okay.
This was like given me for the students who are from who were having 8+ years experience in manual. They have given me this feedback. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
You'll get new insight.
Yeah.
100%. And you will get one certificate of Agile Scrum. You can mention at the top, I am Scrum Fundamental Certified Professional. Okay. You can add that logo in your CV. You can link that certificate to your LinkedIn profile as well,
Sure. Okay.
officially.
Yeah. Yeah.
Even myself, I am sealing myself with that certificate after 15 years. Okay. Okay. Anybody else? Neha, both Neha. I think there are two
Uh,
Neha, three Nehas.
yes.
Pooja, Prachi, Priyanka. कुछ भी क्वेश्चंस है
Sir,
आप पूछ सकते हैं.
sir, I want to ask the Agile and Jira training included is advanced course,
Jira
right?
is Jira. No. Basic course. Agile training is free. I am providing it free. Jira is not there. Only Agile Scrum International certification along with
Okay.
4 hours training. Yeah.
And our GitHub and Jenkins
No. That is in the advanced course.
advanced. So after
Mm.
3.5 months, we have to pay extra for this advanced course.
Yes.
So how much for that?
That you can discuss with the radical person who called you. I have less idea about it.
Okay. And how much the duration for that?
1.5 months. There you will get a framework development and basic training of API testing using REST assured and Cucumber. Okay. On top of these
Okay.
things. And hands on Jenkins, Git and GitHub. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
But I would recommend like learn the basic things first. Okay, make it make
Okay.
them concrete because it is difficult. It is not easy to
Yes.
digest everything. It's not easy. Once you have, let's say,
Okay.
you get a practice of eating two rotis, then eat the third one.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay,
Yes.
you don't know how much I can eat, and you took three rotis in your plate. It's not a good scenario. So first eat two rotis, get them digested, then take the one more roti. Okay, like that.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
So,
Mm-hmm.
what are the job opportunities after this course? As I have completed my 3 years of experience in pharma field.
Where is your 3 years experience?
In
Hello.
bioanalytical pharma field.
Okay.
Hello.
Have you used any softwares there? Have you used any softwares there?
Uh, yeah, analyst software.
Okay, so you can say that I was testing that software. Okay, because that was like you purchase a washing machine. You're not a mechanical engineer, right? Or quality engineer, but you test it for 7 days, and then you return it if you didn't find good, right? Similar way, when your company will purchase it, your company will test it. Okay, because they
Yes.
have purchased it. If there are any bugs, so you can showcase that 1 or 2 years experience, and then based on that, uh, now if you have 2 years experience, go on Google, search on the job portals how much job opportunities are there for the people who showcase 2 years experience. Your pay slip, your designation will remain same, like
Oh,
biotechnology engineer or pharma consultant, whatever. Okay, but
yes.
you can say that I was in R&D department, they have given me that work, I was interested in that, now I am switching from that company to IT company. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So any global certification you are providing?
Which one?
Certification, it's global or means you are providing
One
institution?
certificate you will get Radical Institutes, two certificates. One is 6 month internship. They will provide you the backdated certificate that you have completed 6 months internship with them, and training certificate, diploma in software testing. Okay, and these two certificates you will get from Radical, and one international certificates for Scrum Fundamental from the international organization. Okay,
So for that,
three certificates.
a separate exam fee or it is
No,
including
no, no,
both?
no. Agile that is offered free, but you need a good knowledge and training.
Okay. Actually, I have experience, 4 year experience in manual testing and at automation also. So I
Okay.
do only the advanced course. So first I connect with for that course Selenium Python, but at
Okay.
it
Okay.
I am not actually available when your batch started. So that's why I'm asking.
Yeah, I
Okay.
tried starting the Selenium Python batch. There were two or three peoples. Mostly people are interested in Selenium Java. If you all will say 6, 7 people, we want to learn Selenium Python, I can go for Python. But job up, see, when you purchase a mobile, what do you think? Which service station is near to me? Can I get it repaired? Can I get a mobile cover? Can I get a charger easily in my nearby shop? Right? Hello?
Yes.
So when you are like new in any field, you should go where are the job opportunities, how many people around me are working with that technology, they can help me when I'll be in trouble. If I'll search for any problem, can I easily find the solution? Can I find easily the search study material or YouTube videos? That's course I will choose, right? So based on that thought process, people will select core Java Selenium. Okay, so and before learning, don't go directly for Python. Python is like you drive the automated vehicle. Okay, there are you can drive the vehicle which is drive using shifting the gear, and one is automatic, right? So
Yes.
learning the course for shifting the gear is always good. Got it, all of you? Because you know from basics. So learning core Java is like shifting a gear. Python is automated car, so you will be in the air. Your knowledge will be not that much efficient. Okay,
So, but
so
I have
always
knowledge
learn
of
core Java 8
Selenium.
version.
Can I go
Yeah.
for the advanced directly? It is
No,
means
no, 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 not directly. You have to go for the first basics. Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
I already done the Selenium course, that's why I'm asking.
Oh, if you know, then you can jump, but we don't have a batch now directly for advance. Okay. If
So
you can
this
ask
batch,
Priyanka.
when this batch
Mhm.
gets started for the four.
No idea. That radical people will tell me. Okay.
Okay,
So
okay, so
you can talk to them. Yeah.
yes, yes, thanks.
Yeah. But if you're not comfortable with that, I should tell you, if you want to do something in automation, okay, you have not a good got a good amount of training previously, proper hands-on, proper confidence of the interview, I will recommend you to do the first course. I'm not telling from marketing perspective, because you will be there with me for 3.5 months, right? So definitely you will get something with me for the basic course also, considering automation framework development, XPaths, all those things, and interview confidence. Okay, Neha?
Which framework means you are covering in the course?
Hybrid framework using Selenium, Core Java, TestNG, Page Object Framework. Okay,
Yes, yes, common all,
design
no?
pattern. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, sir. We'll connect with the radical team. Thanks.
Yes, yes. Yeah. If anybody is having any questions personally also, you can contact Radical team. Ask them that please arrange a conference call with Sandeep sir. Okay. Hello. I will talk to you personally also for everyone. Any doubts, anything. Okay. You cannot directly call me. That is a Radical's policy. So you can talk to them. Got it? Neha, Mangala, Prachi, Pooja. Don't hesitate to call me at any time. Okay.
Sure,
But
sir,
first
sure.
call that radical consultant, ask them that I have few questions after the demo. I want to talk to Sandeep sir. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
You can talk Hindi in Hindi, Marathi in your local language also. Okay? Yeah. I'll clear all of your
Yes.
doubts. Anything else? Anything else in your mind? And the other thing is, when you learn with experienced trainer, you will learn speedily, consistently. When you pay, you forcefully attend the course. When you learn from YouTube and all, today you learn, tomorrow you will miss. Day after tomorrow you will miss. With the experienced trainer, you will get a direction as well, proper direction as well. In a minimal time, you will understand what is required in the industry from the experienced trainer. Some of his qualities will be reflected in you. Your fear will be get removed. Okay, for the interview and to work in the company. So these things you will get it here. Got it, everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
So give the preference always for learning. Okay, always give the preference for learning from some experienced people. I'm not doing any marketing. I'm not a marketing person, but I'm telling you my experience. Got it? All of you? Yeah.
Actually, sir, I have six to 7 years gap in age. Means I
Yeah,
completed.
people have got the jobs who are having this kind of gaps also. Okay. I will guide you how to fill in that gap during your CV preparation session.
Okay.
Okay. And they see, when you, let's say you have 7 years gap,
Yes.
and
Yes.
you have showcased 2 years experience. You go to the interview room. I have genuine 5 years experience. No gap. I have no ATKT. Let's say I have you have ATKT, you have like not scored properly in engineering, you have gap in your career. I don't have gap. I have scored properly. I have 5 years experience. Both of us will go into that interview room. Who will talk confidently, they will hire them, because that is a business. Got it? Hello? That is a business, and testing is a art. It's not a science. It's a art. Who will
No,
play properly the harmonium, who will
not
play
that
the
type of
music
gap.
properly. Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Mhm.
Not that
Yeah.
type of gap. Not ATKT.
Mhm.
Means I completed 2016. Means
Mhm.
my thing completed in 2016. So from that, now I am fresher. So
Yeah,
that's
that is fine. That is fine. I have seen so many people who are having 6, 7 years gap. They have also got the jobs. Okay.
okay.
So don't worry about it. Focus on earning the knowledge. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes.
How I can confidently talk in the interview, how I can confidently work in the company. That
Yes.
is important. Okay.
That's why,
Even
sir.
though you will get two, three calls you will easily get from Radical. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you crack it, you will get a work opportunity. You
Okay.
can see, na, BCom people, BE and TC, BE mechanical, do they have any IT background? still people hire them. How? Based on the art they have acquired through the learning and hard work.
Okay.
You all need a focus, nothing. You don't need intelligence or something. You need a focus and dedication. Okay. For 3.5 months, you will get a good financial growth and a good working opportunity. Any questions, Smruti, Shilpa, Ruxana, Priyanka, Prachi, Neha? Okay. Though if you have any question, feel free to call me. Okay. Via Radical Consultant. Okay. Ask them that I want to talk to Sandeep sir. Sandeep sir said that they are available 24 hours. Okay. Got it, everyone? Okay.
Okay.
Shall we stop then? Or any last question? Anybody is having?
Sandeep sir, I have one question.
Mm-hmm.
If we have to means you also got the software and all the things, right? How to install and driver
Yes.
all. But the practice class is also there, no?
Yes, yes. Like if you have any problem, I can get the control of your machine also. I can also work at your system from meetings.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Second thing, you will get a recording. You can watch that and do the practice again. How I did, you can follow that step and do. And when I do the practical, I said that, okay, this practical is, I have done like this. I will explain the concept. I will stay back. All of you will do that practical. Once you say that, yes, my practical is finished or I have got this error, once those errors are resolved, then I will teach the next practical throughout the 3.5 months. Got it?
Okay, sir. Yes, yes. Thanks, sir.
This is the way we will teach. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, thanks. Thanks.
Any more questions? Any questions? Feel free to ask. I don't mind if you don't join the course, but don't keep anything in your mind. Okay? All right then, shall we stop? Yeah?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes. Thank you.
Take care. Bye all of you.
Bye.